In this video tutorial, you are going to learn about exception handling, which is a special concept in C++. Let's dive into the topic. Hello everyone, this is Aismant from skillsgrow.com. What is exception handling? Exception is an event that happens when unexpected circumstances appear. It can be a runtime error, or we can create an exceptional situation programmatically. Errors can be broadly divided into two types: a compile time error and a runtime error. Compile time error. Errors caught during compile time are called compile time errors. Compile time errors include library reference, syntax, or incorrect class import. A compile time error is a problem such as a syntax error or missing file reference that prevents the program from successful compilation. And the next one is runtime errors. An error that occurs during the execution of a program. Runtime errors indicate bugs in the program or problems that the designers had anticipated but could do nothing about. This is what happens when a program has a runtime error. We cannot proceed to the output until the bug is fixed. This error helps in debugging the code and maintaining the code. Exceptions provide a way to transfer control from one part of a program to another part. C++ exception handling is built upon three keywords: try, catch, and throw. Throw. A program throws an exception when a problem shows up. This is done using a keyword throw. The catch. A program catches an exception with an exception handler at the place in a program where you want to handle the problem. The catch keyword indicates the catching of an exception. The try block. A try block identifies a block of code for which particular exception will be activated. It's followed by one or more catch blocks. Throwing exceptions. Exceptions can be thrown anywhere a code block using throw statement. Here is an example program. In this piece of code, we are trying to throw an error. If the variable b is equal to 0, an exception is thrown. This is done by throw keyword as we have discussed. Catching exceptions. The catch block following the try block catches any exception. It can specify what type of exception you want to catch, and this is determined by the exception declaration that appears in the parenthesis followed by the keyword catch. C++ standard exceptions. C++ provides a list of standard exceptions defined in exception, which we can use in our program. These are arranged in a parent-child class hierarchy. Standard exception. An exception and parent class of all the standard C++ exceptions. Standard bad allocation. This can be thrown by new operator. And there are a number of other exceptions like standard bad cached, standard bad exception, standard bad type ID, and etc. Let's get to our final topic in this concept: the advantages of exception handling. Programmers can deal with them at some level within the program. If an error cannot be dealt at one level, then it will be automatically shown at the next level, where it can be dealt with. This is the end to the introduction to exception handling. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more content from us.